Man, so what's up, everybody? I'm up. Now I'm out here finna harvest these sweet potatoes in the ground. I don't know if y'all can see this right here, but it's a sweet potato right here in this ground, and the sun out. So I'm trying to get a good angle from this tripod, but I'm gonna get straight into this harvest. Uh, we bought the sweet potato slips at seedlings already. Y'all know the ones that I had put out here first that was growing in the house. The rabbits ate me out of a house at home. Uh, so we went about seedlings. I'm finna harvest these, so I'm pretty sure the seedlings was in like they were started like 4 weeks prior to me buying them. I've had these in the ground for 66 days, so that's like 90 what? It's like 95 days, 97 days, and they've been looking kind of withery. The leaves look good, but they've been dying off for the most part. So we just gonna go ahead and harvest. I don't know what's underground. I'm pretty sure something under there. I don't know, but we gonna get straight into it. Here we go. We got this right here. Of course, I gotta dig, but this is what we got right here. Yeah, we eating all that. That's most sweet potato slips. You really don't have to throw them away if you know how to cut them and put them back in the ground. That's still good. We'll try to get these out the way with a dig up right here. Ooh, ground hard. I've been watering like a mug. Look, we got a bunch of small ones like the root getting fully. We got some. Hold up. Let me get right. Let me get right. Ooh, I knew this was gonna be a job. We got a bunch of mini dennies, man. See that one? Pretty good. We keeping everything, man. We keeping everything. You know. I wonder what's under this ground for real, man. Hey, we got some life now. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Just gotta be careful not to break them. Got a bunch of little sweet potato fry. Mm. But she ready for me to go deeper. She see how these look. Yeah, that's pretty nice. We ain't complaining. There's some more right there. I'm scared to dig in there with the shovel. Hope that ain't all that good. You gonna pull this one out? I do gotta dig a little deeper. I'll see how they coming out. But all them edible. Don't never get it twisted. And I'm gonna go up front. Oh, one bro. See it. Look like a small one. I'm gonna take him off of there. Man. But it do seem like I gotta go a little deeper, so that's what we're gonna do. Got a bunch of them skinny small ones. But we got something. All this edible. Kind of broke it. See how good that looked though? Wow. Man. Got it. Maybe you go grab that long something right there for you. I'm tired of digging. Kinda got me mad, y'all.
Think Samsung maybe in the middle.
But
Think Samsung in the middle.
that's how that harvest looking right now. It ain't nothing too major, but that's something. My bad, that wind out you. Oh, y'all still with us? God damn it. It's the wind. Y'all don't trip, it's the wind. Now we running out of time. Cause it's gonna get dark. See? Something coming out of there, they small, but yeah, we gotta go deeper, y'all. Now I know that I probably could have let them go a little longer without really tripping about how the leaves start to look. Like I say, we learning. They under there, man. They really under there, y'all. I really feel like that. I need a fork. The fork just cost too goddamn much. Yeah, I feel like I mean.
That sounds wonderful. Let's see. Let's
And these are fun there. You see that the way they get water under you?
That's what I said. It's supposed to be cement on this side.
And I amended this soil right here in the ground. So I like the harvest so far. I ain't complaining. They skinny minis, but they still sweet potatoes. But like I said, the leaves was dying off on me. This 3-digit weather, we've been in the triple digits for about 2 weeks. Yeah, it needs that sun, but that sun will get so hot and so high, it'll kill off them plants, man. Yeah. Especially when they're not mature enough, or when it's just too hot and they in direct sun. Yeah, we learning though. This was the smallest plant down here, and it seemed like they went the deepest. We're gonna leave it at that. So lovelies. Don't seem like a lot, but I'm not complaining. Now I know what I'm capable of. Was a small little spot, you know, but I'm finna go up front. That's gonna be a whole nother video, all that I ain't, still learning how to damn do a lot of this editing. But I'm gonna stop this video. This the backyard. Don't never think you can't get nothing. Don't matter. First year growing. We getting something. Rise. Peace. Until you all, man, we up out of here to the next video.